You finally put that big brain of yours to use and whipped up something fun! Agreed, this sports gear is great!
Great for me to show you all up with! Watch this!
That the best you can do? Check this out! What is this, amateur hour? Get a load of this! Please, you guys, quit embarrassing yourselves and let a true master show you how to really bust a move. I'm gonna jump that pothole! Ah! Ah!
Mikey! Something tells me that ain't part of the trick.
Help! No pressure, guys! But get me out of here! Time to really take this sports gear to the extreme! Whoa! These things do save lives.
Time to bring this overgrown ugly down! Mikey, now!
Nice move, Mikey!
I told you it was going down.
I think it ran away.
No, it just went to get its friends. Look!
All right, let's go prehistoric on these deranged dinos. Ah! So maybe these dinosaurs aren't quite ready to go extinct.
Really? What makes you say that?
If we're gonna stand a chance, we're gonna need an upgrade. And quick. Hey! Time for round 2! Time to take these dinos down.
All right, who's first?
want to explain why these lizards just went liquid?
Yeah, because I don't think this is just any abandoned sewer.
The purple dragons?
Wait, they're the brains behind these dino creeps?
I don't know. Why don't you ask them? I don't suppose we can settle this with a game of checkers?
Guess not.
3 strikes?
You're out!
Gotcha!
Yippee-ki-yay! Oh yeah! This one's a keeper.
All right, hun. Where'd those dino monsters come from?
Ask away, turtles. He doesn't know anything. And the game's just begun.
Let's move!
Sure don't look like a secret hideout for the Foot Clan.
Do you think Hun was telling the truth about this place?
I don't know. He hates the Foot as much as we do. But if there's a chance they're the ones behind those rampaging dinos, we have to check it out.
Right, and they'll never see it coming. Tonight we attack. Tonight, New York is ours. Tonight we... What? Who dares interrupt me? You have to ask? What you waiting for? Come get some! Got anything else? Oh, I had to ask. That's better.
Leo's in trouble! But not for long! Uh-oh! My bad.
Bad is right, and about to get worse.
Guess you guys want some more!
Foot Clan, retreat!
Yeah, that's right! You better run!
Mikey!
And don't even think about coming back! Mikey! What? Hey, what's the... Oh. Come on! He's still coming!
Yo! Why don't you try snacking on this?
Let's do it!
got some serious indigestion. Look!
Quick! After him!
Activating rocket launchers.
You ain't worried about hitting Leo?
Leo's got the reflexes of a ninja. That T-Rex doesn't.
Leo!
Are you all right? I think so, but where are we?
Up to our shells in trouble? I've seen this movie. It doesn't end well.
Quick! We'll take them on in the hollow! Slam it! Or Mikey and Leo are gonna end up the losing link in the food chain! What are you waiting for? An invitation? Climb on!
Time to bring down the house.
Well, I guess that takes care of it.
Enjoying my little pets?
Baxter Stockman! So you're behind those things!
Indeed. And there's more where they came from.
Yeah, until we find you and put the kibosh on your psycho science experiment.
Oh, I can't wait to see you try.
Get ready. 30 seconds to Baxter Stockman's Island Lab.
Well, one thing's for sure. We won't be underdressed.
Ah, turtles. Good. I've been expecting you. Destroy them!
We've got company! We ain't gonna last 10 seconds with these uglies.
Just try and hold them off a little longer. We're almost set back here.
At last. With the turtles out of the way, New York will finally be... What? Empty?
Surprise! These babies sure beat packing a parachute.
No! Destroy them!
Two deranged dinos? No problem.
You might want to check your math, Mikey.
All right, everyone. Let's get primeval.
You'll never stop me, turtles. My prehistoric pets will turn your heavy metal into scrap.
Donnie, you get Stockman. We'll take critter control.
Time to air this baby out!
your deranged dinos.
Never! They're tuned in for terror, and there's no stopping them.
Tuned in? They're radio controlled?
Hope Donnie's making better progress than we are!
I've got to take down that antenna! It's the only way to stop these dinos!
Donnie!
Well, might as well go out with a bang. They're actually quite docile when Stockman's radio waves aren't directing them to eat us.
Ooh, can we keep one?
No! You think Baxter will mind that we took his boat?
Oh, I think he's got bigger things to worry about.
What the? No! You're supposed to be scary! Oh, get away! All of you!